Welcome back. We're looking at number 44 now, and they give you 2 points, the coordinates of 2 points, right? And they ask for the line. We have to start with the slope. We have to first get the slope, and then we got to do point slope. So 44 is multi-step, right? Because we need this equation, and we need the one from the previous problem. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So first we need the m, right? Because the m is given here. The first equation is for slope. The second equation is for an equation. So equation 2 is to get an equation. Let's do it. Let's do the m first. For the m, I do a 7 minus a negative 2 over a negative 3 minus a negative 4. This is going to be 9 over 1. All right? Because of the positives. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Negative 3 plus positive 4 is positive 1. This is 9. That's our m. Now we could use equation 2 to get the equation for the answer. We could use either point 1 or point 2. Either one. So I'm going to use point 2 because it has less negative signs. But you could use point 1 if you want. So I'm going to say y minus 7 is equal to the slope we found out, which is 9, x minus a negative 3. X minus a negative 3. Right? Because it's given as negative, and the equation has negative. So now we have to simplify this correctly. Y minus 7 equals 9x. This becomes a plus 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. And then now we say, okay, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Y equals 9x plus 34. Which is choice A. Alright, so a lot of steps there, but pretty easy if you stick to what you know. What is given, what you know, analyze it. 45. Easy. Eyeball it. Determine whether the graph shows a positive correlation. These are positive correlation ones. A negative correlation. A graph that looks like this is a negative correlation. Or no correlation when it's randomized and you can't figure out if it's positive or negative. No correlation. This is no. This is negative, and this is positive. Right? So for 45, what do we have? We have negative. We have this one. So the answer is B. All right, easy. 46. We have a graph, and they ask us, is it no correlation, negative correlation, positive correlation? For 46, we're going to say it's no correlation. So that is choice C. 47, women in the Army. So that's, just look at it. You could just tell right away it's positive correlation. 48. Okay, inequalities with graphing. K minus 2 is less than 3. Solve for K. K must be less than 5. So we graph 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we make an open circle, and it's everything below that. Okay? So which one is that? That's choice C, 48. 49. Solve the inequality. An unknown number that we label B is over 9. That unknown number over 9 is greater than or equal to negative 7. So we multiply both sides by the denominator to clear the fraction and leave B isolated. So this is 9. So now we have b must be greater than or equal to negative 63. Alright? That is choice A. 50. Negative 3b over 4 must be greater than 9. Multiply both sides by the denominator 4. We're going to have negative 3b must be greater than 36. Divide both sides by negative 3. b must be greater than, this is 1, this is 2, negative 12. b must be greater than negative 12, so that is choice, I forgot. I gotta switch the sign. When I divide by a negative, you switch the direction of the inequality. b must be less than negative 12. That's choice A. Tricky, but simple. Tricky but simple. 51. 2 times an unknown number, this is 51. 2 times an unknown number, h, right? Plus 2 more, must be greater than or equal to 16. 2h must be greater than 14. I subtracted 2 from both sides. Divide both sides by 2. I have h must be greater than 7. Okay? That is choice A. These are super, super easy. 52. 4 times that unknown number a plus 8 minus 8a must be greater than 12. So now we have negative 4a plus 8 must be greater than 12. Negative 4a must be greater than 4. A must be less than negative 1. Why? Because remember when we divide by negative, I had to divide negative 4 here and negative 4 there. So that's how I switch the sign, and 4 over 4 is 1. So which one is that? A must be less than negative 1. 52. A must be less than negative 1 is choice C. Alright? Thank you for watching.